Hello students, drawings help you to understand a topic better and also help you with a better recall. Let's learn the facial nerve by drawing a diagram. So, I want you to first draw the stylomastoid foramen. Remember, the stylomastoid foramen is the foramen through which your facial nerve has exited, right? So, let's draw the stylomastoid foramen here. Draw your facial nerve exiting out from it. The facial nerve, once it comes out, gives rise to posterior auricular branch that supplies your occipital belly and auricularis posterior. It also gives branch to the posterior belly of digastric and to the stylohyoid. After this, your facial nerve enters into the parotid gland and divides into a temporofacial and a cervicofacial. The temporofacial, as you can see, is dividing into two branches, a temporal branch and a zygomatic branch. The temporal branch now supplies the leftover auricular muscles, superior and anterior, and then goes forward to supply the frontalis, corrugator supercilii, procerus, and the orbicularis oculi. The leftover zygomatic nerve also supplies the orbicularis oculi. So, muscles around the orbit complete. The cervicofacial now divides into three branches: the buccal branch, marginal mandibular branch, and the cervical branch. The buccal branch goes on to supply all muscles above the upper lip. So, that means nasalis, levator palpebrae superioris, alic nasi, levator labii superioris, zygomaticus minor, zygomaticus major, and levator anguli oris. The lower branch of the buccal nerve goes on to supply only two muscles. One is the buccinator and other is the orbicularis oris. Thus, the buccal branch divides into an upper buccal and a lower buccal. Upper buccal supplies all muscles above the lip and the lower buccal supplies the muscle of cheek and muscle of lip. We now come to marginal mandibular, which supplies muscles along the mandible. So, mentalis, depressor labii inferioris, depressor anguli oris, and the risorius are all supplied by your marginal mandibular nerve. Finally, the cervical branch goes down into the neck to supply your favorite muscle, the platysma. So, let's now, just to add a perspective, add the parotid gland to this. Okay, so here's your parotid gland. Okay, and you can see now, color it up nicely, enjoy yourself, students. Never force yourself to do something you don't enjoy. Studying can be fun, believe me. So, your parotid gland now, as you can see, that the facial nerve enters parotid gland and then divides into the final 5 branches which are emerging from its anterior border. The 5 branches from above downwards are temporal, zygomatic, buccal, marginal mandibular, and cervical. Okay, so these are branches of facial which come into the face to supply muscles of the facial expression.